Hey, what's up guys? Jamie here, and I want to say a massive thanks for joining me in today's video. I'm going to be discussing a couple of ways that you can make some extra income using a couple of really massive sites that are already in existence, that are already getting a lot of traffic coming to them, and all you need to do is basically position your links and your content in front of the right people. Now this particular method is something that is catered for people that don't really want to put themselves out there. They're not interested in branding, not interested in being on the old YouTubes, things like that. So if that's you, stick around, and I'm going to cover what you need to do to make this method work. Now, for those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jamie. I'm a full-time affiliate and digital ad strategist, and if that's of interest to yourself, I produce videos based on affiliate marketing, digital marketing, how to get started online, all that sort of stuff. So hit that subscribe button, smash that bell icon, and yeah, I'm going to put out a lot more content, help you guys out. Right, let's jump into it. So what are we talking about today? Now, like I say, this is catered for people that don't necessarily want to build a brand, don't necessarily want to put themselves out there quite as much. You are still going to have to do some little putting yourself out there, but not too much, if that makes sense. So what we're effectively doing is we're going to leverage two massive sites. They are called medium.com and Quora.com. But before we get to that, the very first step of this is that you need to have a product as an affiliate, or if it's your own, but preferably as an affiliate. It's just a lot easier for this method, that pays you $500 or more per sale. Why do I say that? Well, quite literally, from a mathematical standpoint, if you look at your income goals, and I assume you have income goals, of course you are going to want a way to reach those. So if we look at the angle here, most people when they start in affiliate marketing, they start with low ticket stuff, which is fine. I did as well. I spent 8+ years trying to make the whole low ticket stuff work for me. Didn't quite work out how I anticipated, but anyway, that's beside the point. I'm a full-time affiliate now, so it's worked out all right in the end. Plus I've learned a bunch of stuff along the way, right? So anyway, you can take a low ticket product, and if you think about, let's say for example, the magic number being 10,000 per month seems to be the round number everyone wants to aim towards. If you're getting say $100 per sale, you're gonna need 100 new customers each and every month to hit that 10K revenue, as opposed to if you're making $1,000 per sale, you only need to find, I was going to do that for some reason. I've been watching the Bulls documentary recently. 10, you guys will know the reference if you're a Bulls fan. Anyway, 10 sales per month to hit your revenue goals, right? So obviously it's a lot easier. Conversely, if it's $500 per sale, then you need 20 of those per month to hit your 10K revenue goal. Not huge in the grand scheme of the overall internet, right? There's a lot of people out there looking for stuff, need help with stuff, and you can make an impact on those people. So if you don't want to go down that path, the other thing you can consider is a recurring billing affiliate product. So ClickFunnels, Kartra, Builderall, GetResponse, Aweber, Thrive, Themes. What else do we have? That's, I don't know why my mind's got blank, but hopefully it's enough to start with. Basically, that would be another consideration. Having said that, there's a massive debate, and I'll do another video on this at another time, about the overall customer value and how many months someone would need to stay with something in order to reach that same value with a low ticket, right, with a recurring billing. So that's something to consider. But anyway, my preference is to do it with high ticket stuff, just because, like I say, you're going to reach your income goals a lot quicker. However, if you do decide to go down the recurring billing, on your own advice, do so. I still have a lot of low ticket stuff that is on a recurring billing, and it does make me money month after month. So this is where I got this technique from. Right, jump into it. You got your product. Don't think too hard and fast about it. You do want to go through the product. You do want to make sure that you can ethically back it yourself. You want to make sure that it covers all the bases and that it is actually going to help your audience out, more importantly. So go and find that product, okay? That would be my advice, number one. Second part of it is actually really simple. What we're going to do is we're going to jump over to Uber Suggest, okay? So Uber Suggest, it's a keyword tool from a gentleman by the name of Neil Patel, neilpatel.com/Uber Suggest, I think. It used to be free. I'm pretty sure he's just had an upgrade option now, so I think you can still use it on a basic level for free. Having said that, what you want to do is just spend the 10 bucks or 20 bucks, whatever it is per month, in order to upgrade, because it is a really, really good keyword tool. Right, what you're going to do is you're going to type in your keyword, okay? Keyword in relation to the product that you've chosen. So if we use, for example, ClickFunnels, so just as an example, you're using ClickFunnels and you want to rank something out there. What you need to do is go and find a buyer keyword. So the way you do that is you might say something like ClickFunnels plus symbol review. How much is it? ClickFunnels like best bonus, things like that, right? These are all what we call buyer keywords. Now, what do I mean by buyer keyword? Is basically, if you look at someone's intent, if they are typing things in like how much is a product, that means that they have a very high intent on potentially buying that product. So if you're able to put your content and your links in front of those people, there is a chance, a higher probability, I would argue, that they might click on that and then end up buying it through your affiliate link, right? So that's why you look for these ones. What you'll find is on that first page of Google, thanks to Ubersuggest, you will find that more often than not, those websites I mentioned, Quora and Medium, have articles and answers to questions from those two sites. Why is this so important? Well, a lot of the time, and I mean this very respectfully to people out there, a lot of the time the content on Medium for these keywords sucks. There's no other way of putting it. It just sucks. It's full of grammatical errors. The syntax is all out of whack. It doesn't even make sense. What you can do is very easily rewrite a better piece of content that's already there. Now, again, you do need to make sure that you know the product. You do need to be well versed in it. You need to, like, if you are writing a review, I suggest that you write it as efficiently as you can and as neutral as you can, and basically lay out all the goods, the bads, and make people, or help people make an informed buying decision whether it is something that they do want to pursue. That's what I suggest you do. And that way, when you put these out there and you're onto Medium and someone's got their crappy article and you're able to write a better article and get in front of more people, there's a higher probability that they'll buy it through your link because they feel that you've already offered value to them, okay? And if you want to go down the bonus route and, incentivize buying, you're welcome to, although, it's a bit of a murky world from my experience, $80,000 worth of bonuses for a $10 product, wow! It's, you're kind of like losing the credibility of the actual product when you're going down that pathway. So approach with caution. That's my advice, taken from someone who has walked both lines. I've added tons of bonuses, I've added no bonuses, and it is what it is. People end up buying for the sake of the bonuses as opposed to the actual product itself. So, right, anyway. And when it comes to Quora, well, Quora is a question and answer site. So quite often you'll find that if the answer is appropriate, it has actually been bumped onto Google as one of the pieces of content relating to that keyword, okay? So all you would need to do then is go and find that answer, which obviously you just click through, it's not hard. You click through, you read the answer, and you write a better one. And again, it's not overly complex because you literally, a lot of them aren't that flash. And even if you can't outrank that particular person's answer because your answer gets stuck way down here, there's still a very high probability that it will get noticed from people on the Quora platform. It will get some clicks through to your links. And of course, when you keep going through this process, you can't just give up after once, but when you keep going through this process with different keywords, maybe even writing similar articles but different for the same keyword, eventually what's going to happen is your stuff will start rising to the top and you'll find new keywords. And all of a sudden you'll find that you're starting to rank for other things as well. And when that happens, that's when the links will basically be there, and it's a permanent asset. Well, as permanent as you want to call the internet and websites anyway. But the point being is that when you go through this and you repeat that process for a bunch of different products, or your core product, if that's the pathway that you're choosing like I have, you'll find that it grows. It takes a while. You do have to put in the work, but that's just one way to avoid having to have your own blog set up. Probably, that's a whole other debate in itself, really, if you want to have your own blog set up or not. having said that, if you just want a couple of quick wins, go through this process. You'll find there's some very simple keywords that you can rank for in a very, very easy way doing this. You don't need to worry about the SEO because they're already on sites. They have a ton of traffic anyway. Google already loves them. They've got, probably billions of links. I don't know, but that works. So anyway, that's it. Hopefully that helps, right? So anyway, something that I used to do, I've actually created a whole course around that. It's called the Affiliate Profit Formula. You're welcome to check that out. Having said that, I've moved on in my business. I've as part of your evolution, you'll find that certain things don't really cater to what you're wanting to achieve anymore. And my business has evolved. So what I'm doing now, I basically build a brand, and I help other people such as yourself that are watching this with their online journey. So anyway, if you're interested in checking that out and seeing what we're up to as part of the Super Affiliate Accelerator, it's a very tight-knit community. We just cracked over the 200 mark now, and in order to jump in there and check it out, whether it's for you or not, all you need to do is just click that button below. You'll be presented with a page from my business partner. He's going to discuss what it's all about and whether it's the right thing for you. Getting some awesome results from our students too. So anyway, with that said, I'm out of here. You guys are awesome. I appreciate you tuning in. Take action on this. It does work. And if you, like I say, are not the type that wants to put themselves out there and do the whole branding thing, this is a great way to get some recognition, get some links out there, and be able to help other people out with the content that you're producing along the way. My name is Jamie. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.